Welcome to Healthy Nature. Calcium deficiency. Calcium deficiency is a condition in which the body has an inadequate amount of calcium. Hypocalcemia is also known as calcium deficiency. It occurs when the blood has low levels of calcium. Calcium deficiency can lead to dental changes, cataracts, alterations in the brain, and osteoporosis. And calcium will be helpful for heart health and muscle health. However, the diet is not usually responsible for a calcium deficiency. Calcium deficiency primarily results from health problems or treatments such as kidney failure or certain medications usage. Vitamin D also plays a major role in calcium deficiency because vitamin D increases the rate of calcium is absorbed into your blood. Causes of calcium deficiency can be due to dietary deficiency, calcium malabsorption, and vitamin D dependent deficiency. Recommended dietary allowance of calcium for adults aged 19 years to 50 years is 1000 mg per day. However, females aged at least 51 and males aged at least 71 should be consuming 1200 milligrams of calcium per day. An early stage of calcium deficiency may not cause any symptoms, but symptoms will develop as the condition progresses. A person with calcium deficiency may experience the following symptoms. Those are muscle problems like muscle cramps, muscle aches, pain in the thighs and arms when moving, and numbness, extreme fatigue, dry skin, brittle nail, dry and broken nails, coarse hair, alopecia, which causes hair to fall out in patches, eczema, psoriasis, and osteopenia, that is a reduction of mineral density in the bones, and this can lead to osteoporosis, which causes the bones to thin and become vulnerable to fractures. Severe PMS, that is premenstrual syndrome, and dental problems like tooth decay, brittle teeth, irritated gums, and women should be instructed to maximize their daily dietary intake by eating calcium rich foods like low fat dairy products and dark green leafy vegetables. And vegans are more likely to become calcium deficient quickly because they don't eat calcium rich dairy products. Let us know some calcium rich foods. Dark green leafy vegetables, Chinese cabbage, kale, collard greens, and turnip greens. 1 cup of cooked turnip greens has about 200 milligrams of calcium. And fresh figs. 5 medium fresh figs have around 90 milligrams of calcium and other skeleton saving nutrients like potassium and magnesium. Half cup of dried figs have 121 milligrams of calcium. You can get calcium from fatty fish like salmon, and other types of fatty fish contain vitamin D, which helps your body use calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids, which may also aid bones health. 3 ounces of canned salmon contains 187 milligrams of calcium because of soft bones get included with the meat in the canning process. Another one is almond butter. Almond butter is an easy way to boost your calcium intake. 2 tablespoons of almond butter has 111 milligrams of calcium. You can also get calcium from milk from plants like soya beans, almonds, and coconut. Tofu. Tofu is also a good source of calcium. Half a cup of calcium enriched tofu contains more than 860 milligrams of calcium. Milk, cheese, and other dairy products are the good source of calcium. To increase calcium intake, you can add food that is rich in vitamin D to your diet. Because vitamin D important because it increases the rate of calcium is absorbed into your blood. You can add vitamin D rich foods like portobello mushrooms, egg, fortified milk, fatty fish, and fortified orange juice. Spend some time under sunlight to get vitamin D and maintain a healthy body weight. Exercise regularly. restrict tobacco and alcohol intake. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Healthy Nature.